Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to make this amazing paper cube using just a single sheet of paper. Let's begin. First we need a square sheet. If you're using A4 paper like me, simply fold one corner to the opposite edge and cut off the excess strip. Now we have a perfect square. Fold the paper diagonally in both directions to create guidelines. Then bring all four corners to the center point where the diagonal creases meet. Now fold the model in half. After that, fold each side toward the center once again to divide the paper into smaller sections. Rotate the paper 90 degrees and repeat the same process. Fold it in half. Then fold each side toward the center. These creases will help us form the cube later. Now take each of the four corners and fold them toward the edge I'm showing here. Make sure the folds are neat and symmetrical. Next comes the most interesting part. Fold the model in half and carefully shape. You will start to see the cube taking form. Tuck the necessary flaps inside and continue shaping the structure. At this point, half of the cube is already complete. As you can see, 5 sides of the cube are now finished. We only need to close the final side. Fold the remaining corners inward and lock everything into place so that no edges stick out. And that's it. Our paper cube is complete. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future paper craft and origami tutorials. See you in the next video.